Sheesh. It's kind of windy today. Yes, and the clouds seems to be white. Yeah, but do you know what I just saw? What? I just saw the ponies got the wrong cutie mark. So it was kind of bad, isn't it? Oh yes, it was kind of bad. So we're just gonna have to wait to see what the windmill's going to spin. Well, maybe for now. Yeah, that's unless. All right, guys, let's go. All right, we're coming. Same here. Alright, so we have to wait to see what it is. Yeah, so let's see that we can listen. Okay. I think I hear bird sounds. Yeah, so let's go see it. Ooh, the wind sure is kind of stronger. Yes, probably do. Yes. Alright. So let's see what we can see. Hey, look, up there. Wow, some cool birds. Yeah, let's watch them flying. Yeah, we know that. And it looks like it's finally done. Yes, but there's 2 more to go until it's finally done. Yes. Huh? Okay, so the windmill's stopping. Yeah, let's go now. Alright. Let's go. Let's go inside to watch a movie. Alright.